Today, we're making a delicious chicken stir-fry with colorful bell peppers. This restaurant-style dish is a cheap meal that turns out juicy, flavorful, and ready in just minutes. Best of all, the whole meal costs under $6. We start by slicing the chicken into thin strips. Then place them in a bowl to marinate with soy sauce, dark soy sauce, a pinch of sugar, a little black pepper, and some cornstarch. Mix the chicken well, making sure every piece is coated. This step gives the stir-fry a juicy texture and deep flavor. We finish marinating with a touch of sesame oil for that rich, nutty flavor. Then set it aside for about 15 minutes. Next, we prepare the veggies. Cut the colorful bell peppers into pieces like these. These peppers are naturally sweet, crisp, and add a vibrant touch of color and flavor to our stir-fry. Cut the half onion into large strips and separate the layers. This way, they cook quickly during the stir-fry. Smash the garlic to release its aroma. Then mince it finely to bring extra flavor to the dish. Now, cut the 5 slices of ginger and mince them finely. Fresh ginger adds a warm, slightly spicy kick and a wonderful aroma that lifts the whole dish. Add some oil to a hot pan and let's start cooking on medium-high heat. Place the marinated chicken in the hot pan, spreading it out evenly so each piece touches the surface. Let it cook without stirring for a short time. This way, the chicken gets a golden color and stays juicy inside. Look at this piece of chicken, perfectly golden on one side. Now we flip it to cook the other. Let the chicken brown gently so the outside turns golden while the inside stays tender and juicy. Add 1 teaspoon of dark soy sauce and give the chicken a few quick tosses to coat evenly. As the chicken browns in dark soy sauce, the kitchen fills with a rich, incredible smell. Now it's time to take the chicken out of the pan and set it aside while we cook the veggies. Add some oil into the pan and cook over medium-high heat. Once the oil is hot, add the onion and bell peppers and stir-fry them for about 1 minute. Friends, I'm really curious, where are you all watching from? Tell me your city and your country, and if you're in the US, let me know your state as well. I'd love to hear from you in the comments. Now it's time to add the minced garlic and ginger into the pan, giving them a few quick tosses to release their flavor. Next, return the brown chicken to the pan and toss it with the veggies until everything is well combined. Then season with a little soy sauce, a splash of rice wine, a pinch of black pepper, and some sugar. Give everything a few more tosses to mix evenly. Make sure the chicken and veggies are well coated with the sauce and seasonings, and the flavors blend together nicely. Mix 1 tablespoon of cornstarch with 2 tablespoons of water until fully dissolved. Keep stirring because cornstarch tends to settle at the bottom. Then pour it over the stir-fry. Mix well so the sauce turns smooth and coats the chicken and vegetables beautifully. Turn off the heat and finish with a drizzle of sesame oil for that rich, nutty aroma. Give it a few more tosses, and that's it. We're done. Wow, look at this chicken stir-fry with bell peppers. It looks amazing. It's juicy, smells incredible, and the vibrant colors make it even more appetizing. A perfect dish that's ready to enjoy. You can also serve it with rice for a full meal. A simple, budget-friendly dinner that's absolutely delicious. I hope you enjoyed this delicious cheap meal today. If you found this video helpful, share it with your friends and family, and let me know what you think in the comments.